What is up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Where are we heading, bro?
Yo, what's up, bro?
It's been a long time since I've talked to you guys. Where are we heading?
So right now we're going to Schaumburg.
Can you turn it off?
Starbucks. Yeah.
Wait, Schaumburg?
I mean Starbucks.
Starbucks?
Yeah.
Alright, so we going there. He's got to edit his vlog. And I'm vlogging right now. So I'm gonna edit my
like,
yeah, I'm vlogging right now.
Lazy ass shit, bro.
So I'm vlogging right now.
It,
Let me put my seatbelt, bro. Yeah. So yes, I'm vlogging right now. So I'm gonna edit my vlog once I get home. He's gonna do it right now. I mean, not right now, but in a few minutes. What is the vlog about, bro?
So it's about it's not actually like a vlog. It's like
you giving a lecture.
Yeah.
This guy's giving a lecture. All right, so yeah, let's go to Starbucks and then I'll talk to you guys there. Just made it over here. Oh my god, let me fix my hair. And
it's freaking cold.
All I gotta say, it's cold as shit. Alright, bro.
It's cold.
It's cold as shit, guys. Alright.
Let's head in.
You brought a backpack, bro? What the fuck?
It's a law kid, bro.
Alright. So I just found out that Starbucks is closed. Yo, this guy's tripping. He brought a freaking box of snack. Look.
Dude, it's for safety, bro. That's the safest thing
Bro,
I
you
can
just
do.
could have put in your freaking backpack. What,
Nah, bro.
Butterfly?
It's a butterfly, bro.
Yo, he's got issues. I'm telling you guys. What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna edit my vlog, bro, and let's see how it goes.
So tell us, what did you do the video about? I mean, I can see the sneak peek of it.
I can just show you guys.
Spoiler alert.
And then.
Ooh, getting a car wash?
Yo.
He's getting a car wash for the Beamer, right there. Alright.
So make sure to subscribe to my channel, LTV.
Alright.
Links in the description, and
What you gotta say to the kids?
just dab on them haters, bro. That's my message, bro. So just make sure to watch it. It's gonna be lit. I'm telling you.
Alright. We are heading home. He's gonna edit. He's gonna edit his vlog at his house. It's boring as shit over here. Starbucks is freaking closed.
Why don't we take some pictures, bro? You wanna take some pictures?
Hey, I gotta tell you something. When I started my first Instagram, it was actually from here.
Really?
Yeah, I mean the first photo shoot I did it over here at this place.
Damn, bro.
Some of you guys might know about it.
Wanna do it again here? It's pretty good.
I mean,
price, bro.
I'm not gonna do it with an iPhone, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, look at the Beamer.
Shit, bro.
So, what have you done to it, bro?
So actually, I tuned it, and
It's got it tuned.
Yeah.
What else?
so I still have to install an intake. And
All right.
Yeah, right now it's at 410.
All right. The question is it faster than my car?
Oh hell yeah, bro!
All right, we gotta find this out. He thinks it's faster than my car, and
No, to be honest, his car way more less than mine, so you cannot.
yeah,
compare,
my car's got less weight.
But if you compare any sedans, I'll smoke them all.
All right. Okay. You gotta find out about it.
Yeah.
Just made it home. First things first. I gotta start my car because I haven't started it in like the whole day. So I'm gonna do it right now. You making a video of me, bro? It's making a video. It's not. Why the hell? Hold on. Yo, I think my remote is dead. My freaking remote died. Alright, I got it. Hey, I'm gonna do a cold start. You ready? Alright, let's do it. Yeah! Is it loud? Alright. Ooh, it's hella loud. I'm gonna warm it up for like a couple of minutes and then I'm gonna head inside. I'm gonna cook for myself, probably watch a movie or something. Yeah, I'm gonna end this video right here. Probably I'll talk to you. What up? What's up? You're gonna park your car? Alright, so yes, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. If you guys want to find out more about my car or anything, just let me know in the comments below. Either like it, subscribe it, comment, or do anything with it. Just let me know so I can make more videos. Yes, that being said, I'm gonna end this vlog right here, and if you guys enjoyed it, give this video a like, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.